Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I will explain how to translate from Google into any language. You will definitely watch the video and subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. So first let's open the Google Translate app. So Google Translator is open. We can translate into any language by speaking from voice, and we can translate into any language by writing. Now I am write some words in Urdu language. So first of all, this option is coming to us. We will click on it. So now I will select Urdu language on one side and English on the other side. If you want to, can select any language. So I have selected Urdu on one side and English language selected on the other side, so that whatever I will write in Urdu will be translated into English. Similarly, you can select any language, but I will show you some words from Urdu translated into English. Now here we will write some words in Urdu, which it will translate into English. I have written some words in Urdu, then Google has translated it and told us it in English. Let's talk better. Similarly, if you write any sentence in Urdu, it will translate to English and tell you, and we will write in any language. The other language that we have selected will translate it in that language and tell you. You can use Google Translator to translate Urdu from Google. Similarly, now I will write some more Urdu words which will be translated into English. I have written his sentence in Urdu. Google has translated it and told us in English, I arrived. Similarly, whatever we write in Urdu, Google has translated it and tell us in English. Now we will try to translate a sentence from English to Urdu. I have written in English, how are you? So Google has translated it and told us its meaning in Urdu. Similarly, you can translate English into any language. You can translate Urdu into any language. But you can translate any language from any language to Google Translator. Similarly, now I have written a sentence in English. Google has told us its meaning in Urdu. Where are you going? In this way, if you write any sentence in English, Google will translate it in Urdu and tell you. Just like I write in English, where are you going? He will translate it in Urdu, तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो, and tell me. Now we check by translating from Urdu to another language. I have selected Arabic language. Now Google will tell us by translating from Urdu to Arabic language. Now I will write something in Urdu. and Google will translate it in Arabic. I have written this in Urdu. Allah आपको सेहत दे. Google has told us by translating it into Arabic. Barakallahu feek. If the sentence you have translated is difficult for you to write, you can copy and paste it from where you want to write it. In the same way, I will write some more words in Urdu when Google will translate them into Arabic. So I write in Urdu. बाद में बात करते हैं. Then Google has translated into Arabic and told us its meaning. نتحدث فيما بعد. Similarly, if you want to copy this sentence in Urdu, you can do it in Urdu. If you want to copy it in Arabic language, you can also do it in Arabic. If you want to copy something in Arabic, then I have marked it in red. You can copy it by clicking on it. If the sentence you have translated and you do not understand or cannot read and you want to hear it, you can hear the translated sentence by clicking on the place where I have marked red. So it is very easy to use Google Translator. You can translate any language into any language. And it also has the option to mean that you will speak and write it down and translate into any language. That is the language in which you have to translate the sentence. All the options and almost all the language of the world are available in Google Translator app. Similarly, if you want to translate any language into any language, you can easily translate it from Google Translator. And if you like today's video, please like, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. You will definitely wait for my next video. Take care and Allah Hafiz.